Good afternoon, everybody here. Sunday, about 12:32 p.m., early afternoon, and let's get a quick update on the weather here across the Carolinas, specifically Charlotte. And none of the heavy rain, certainly not the 2 to 3 to 4 inch rainfall, has been falling across Charlotte right now. This has been a tricky situation. The models have been fooling us, and let's kind of ditch the models at this point and just kind of let's see what's going to happen here based upon what makes sense in the weather sense of things. Looking at the IR satellite right now, heavier rain this morning across the Greenville area has now kind of dissipated. However, there's an aerial flood warning right now for the Greenville area, Spartanburg area, as they have been getting just torrential rains. Looks like it missed us to our south. And there's some more activity up here in the mountains, up around Boone and around Hickory, maybe a little bit further north than that, as we can see that on the IR satellite imagery right here right now. A bunch of heavy rainfall offshore, but we don't care much about that. Not a whole lot of rain right now, just low clouds and spotty areas of drizzle, which is what I would suspect that this little blips of green right here on infrared satellite would be. So definitely not the washout that was originally forecasted here. Let's take a look at the current temperatures across the region now, and let's zoom in so we can take a better look at what the temperatures are across the region right now. 71 is all right now in Charlotte, socked in with low clouds, and 79 here at Wilmington, and 84 with a little bit of sun breaking through here in Myrtle Beach, and double H down here with sun peeking through in Charleston, 78 in South Carolina State Capitol, and we have some light rain up here in Greensboro, and some drizzle up here up in the mountains, and fog in Asheville. Only a pair of sixes out there for temperature right now. This is unprecedented for this time of year. It's August 10th, and normally we see temperatures about 20 degrees higher than this time of year. So let's zoom back out here and let's take a look at the surface analysis across the southeastern part of the United States. The problem is why we haven't been seeing all the rain across our area is because the stationary front has draped itself further south than originally anticipated. Here's the stationary front right here. It's down into Georgia and down in the South Carolina. And the disturbances have been kind of training themselves along this, moving along this stationary front and have been to our south. They have not been affecting us. Now, what's going to happen is a wave of low pressure is going to form somewhere right around in here. It's going to bring heavier rains. Greenville, South Carolina, look out. More rain is on the way. Unfortunately, you don't need it there. And the wave of low pressure will form, drag itself across our region, and will form a cold front behind it, and which will move out on Tuesday, rather, and beautiful day on Wednesday and Thursday coming this week. This week, Wednesday, could feel like another fall day with highs only in the low 80s and clear blue skies, not a cloud in the sky on Friday. Excuse me, on Wednesday. So this little disturbance will form here and will dump a lot of rain across the area. More than likely, anytime tonight, Sunday night into Monday, and I'm thinking this is when the heaviest rainfall will occur. It didn't occur on Saturday and not on Sunday, but it's still going to happen. And I think what happens is the models have a hard time knowing when this disturbance is going to develop on the front and bring the torrential rains and sweep in a cold front behind it, and will move out to sea and bring us much nicer weather on Wednesday. And that's the forecast right now. Could get a couple of thunder boomers on Tuesday. We remain socked in until Tuesday night when the cold front moves through, and then it'll be clearing out after that. Heavy rain possible anytime if a batch of rain forms along the stationary front, and disturbance actually does form along the front and drags all this muck out to sea. And that's what I think is going to happen here with no models. I'm ditching the models at this point because of what they did to us this weekend, and they misled us. That's it right now for the Carolina Weather Update and Weather Ranger. Thanks for tuning in. Everybody have a great day.